Today's topic is placenta on chip. Before that, we will understand what is placenta, right? It's a temporary embryonic fetal organ which connects, fetus, developing fetus, to the uterine wall with with the cord support, right? So with this, they deliver vital oxygen and nutrients and removes waste products from the fetus, right? So this is how the normal placenta function to support child as a temporary system, right? Now same thing is scientists want this model to study for different scientific evidence, right? So they developed placenta on chip. Okay, so this is a bidirectional barrier between maternal and fetal blood circulation, very important. So researchers now study transport, waste clearance like urea, and they can also study metabolic responses like glucose transfer under gestational diabetes, right? Without relying on animal models. That means without relying on live animal models, right? Or invasive fetal tissue. So it saves their others, animal model lives, right? So it becomes easier for artificially study those bidirectional barrier between maternal and fetal blood circulation, and a lot of scientific evidence can be studied, right? And innovative things can be applied. Okay, further announcement here: UPSC aspirants, those who want to improve reading comprehension and assimilation powers so that they can read the things very clean, right? And that clean reading ability is not reading news articles throughout the year. It is about psychic ability, use of numbers, right? Numbers can develop your reading ability. This is what the concept of Norman Lewis and Urdhana Praveen, who introduced new reading model, which will help you a lot to doing comprehension questions in 1 hour. At least all 25 to 27 questions is the given CSAT. Okay, and next is prelims and mains. Here you will get monthly enough stack powered magazines, which is very important, that how news articles or newspaper topics are converted into UPSC format, right? News developing or news things are just contributory to 1% of your UPSC preparation, and once they are converted into UPSC format, that becomes 90%, right? It is very important to read this converted and stack pod based magazines rather than the news articles. Okay, so you can subscribe these courses on website of Bygraves, right? You can subscribe for prelims and mains separately also. Okay, thank you. If you have any queries, you can comment and like and subscribe the channel.